A phone rings, someone is hurt, and suddenly, every detail matters more than the last season of your favorite detective show. Before an accident injury lawyer takes a case, they first ask what happened, when it happened, and whether anyone else may be legally responsible. The first screen is usually timing, because deadlines can quietly sneak up like a cat with a calendar. Different claims have different time limits, so lawyers check whether there is still time to act before the legal door closes. Next, they look at the basic facts, not just the loudest part of the story. A painful injury matters, but the lawyer also needs to know where the accident happened, who was involved, and what evidence may exist. They may ask for medical records, bills, photographs, witness names, videos, police reports, and insurance information. This is not busy work, because memories can change while a security camera may be sitting there with the emotional range of a parking meter. The lawyer also checks whether the injury connects to the accident. If you hurt your back in a crash but had the same problem years earlier, that does not automatically end the case, but it does mean the medical history needs a careful look. Responsibility is another big question. A lawyer asks whether a driver was careless, a property owner ignored a danger, or a company failed to follow safety rules. Sometimes the answer is obvious, like a driver texting while crossing 3 lanes and apparently auditioning for a disaster movie. Other times the facts are mixed, and the lawyer must study traffic rules, witness accounts, photographs, and expert opinions. They also consider insurance and money sources. Winning an argument is not the same as collecting payment, so lawyers check available coverage, whether the responsible person has assets, and whether another party might share responsibility. Your own actions may be reviewed too, which can feel uncomfortable but is part of honest screening. If you ignored a warning sign or made a risky choice, that may reduce a claim in some places, but it does not always erase it. Lawyers also screen for conflicts of interest. They need to make sure they have not already represented the other side, because fighting yourself is better suited to a cartoon courtroom than a real one. Then comes the question of fit. A lawyer may understand your problem, but still decline the case if it requires a type of practice, location, or resource their office does not handle. They also think about cost and risk. Most accident injury lawyers use a fee arrangement where they get paid from a recovery, but the agreement should explain expenses, percentages, and what happens if there is no settlement. A strong screening process protects both sides from false hope. The lawyer is not judging whether your pain is real, but testing whether the facts can support a legal claim that another person or company can be held responsible for. You can help by telling the full story, saving documents, avoiding guesses, and not posting accident details online. The internet remembers everything, including that joke you thought was harmless at 2 in the morning. If you want to learn more about our company, check out our links in the description.